Hi, I'm Dr. Shweta Wazir, and today I want to talk to you about a very common but often ignored women's health concern, that is weak pelvic floor muscles. Many women silently live with bladder leakage, pelvic discomfort, or a feeling of heaviness, thinking that it is normal after childbirth or with age. But the truth is that these symptoms are treatable. The pelvic floor is a group of muscles at the base of your pelvis. These muscles act like a natural support system. They hold the bladder, uterus, and the bowel in their correct position and help control the urine and bowel movements, and also play a very important role in sexual health and posture. When these muscles lose their strength or coordination, we call them pelvic floor dysfunction. There are several reasons why pelvic floor muscles get weakened in women. The most common cause is pregnancy and childbirth. The growing baby and the pressure during delivery stretches these muscles. As the woman ages, especially after menopause, reduced estrogen can also weaken the muscle tone. Chronic constipation and repeated straining during bowel movements also puts an excessive stress on these muscles. Being overweight increases pressure inside the abdomen, further weakening the pelvic support. Frequent cuffing, heavy lifting, or previous pelvic surgeries like hysterectomy can also contribute. Weak pelvic floor muscles can affect daily life in many ways. Some women experience urine leakage while coughing, laughing, or exercising. Others, they feel a sudden urge to pass urine or need to visit the washroom frequently, even in the night. Difficulty controlling bowel movements, pelvic heaviness, or a bulging sensation in the vaginal area may also occur. Some women notice a discomfort during intimacy or reduced sexual sensation. If you relate to any of these symptoms, it is important to know that help is available. Pelvic floor muscle training is the first and the most effective treatment for weak pelvic muscles. These exercises strengthen and retrain the muscles, improve the bladder and bowel control, and reduce prolapse symptoms. When done correctly and consistently, many women see significant improvements without the surgery. Kegels exercises are simple and can be done anywhere. This is how it should be done. Sit, stand, or lie down comfortably. Tighten the muscles as if you are trying to stop your urine flow. Do not hold your breath or tighten your abdomen. Hold this contraction for 5 seconds and then relax for 5 seconds. Repeat this 10 to 15 times, at least 3 times a day. And regular practice is the key to success. Quick contractions help your muscles respond during sudden pressure like cuffing or lifting. Simply squeeze and relax the pelvic muscles quickly 10 times in a row. You can also practice the bridge exercise, that is, lie on your back, bend your knees, lift your hips gently while tightening the pelvic floor and then relax. These exercises improve overall pelvic stability. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces pressure on the pelvic muscles. Avoid straining during bowel movements and treat constipation early. Stay physically active but avoid excessive heavy lifting. If needed, a pelvic floor physiotherapy can guide you for better results. If your symptoms do not improve or if you experience persistent leakage, pelvic pain or discomfort, please consult your gynecologist. Early evaluation can prevent complications and improve the quality of life. Weak pelvic floor muscles are common, but they are not something that you must live with. With the right exercise, lifestyle change, and medical guidance, pelvic health can be restored. For personalized consultation, you may connect with me. Thank you for watching, and please take care of your pelvic health.